कांग्रेस और बीजेपी के बीच जुबानी जंग तेज हो गई है। राज्यसभा सांसद गुलाम अली खटाना के जरिए फारूक अब्दुल्ला की विश्वसनीयता पर उठाए गए सवालों पर अब नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के ने भी तीखा पलटवार किया है। एनसी प्रवक्ता इफ्रा जान ने खटाना को याद दिलाया कि वो एक मनोनीत सांसद हैं, चुने हुए नहीं हैं। इफ्रा ने फारूक अब्दुल्ला के अनुभव और योगदान का हवाला देते हुए कहा है कि खटाना का बयान लोकतांत्रिक प्रक्रिया और जनादेश का अपमान है।
न्यूज़ 18 के साथ अभी जम्मू कश्मीर नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस की स्पोक्स पर्सन इफ्रा जान जुड़ी हुई हैं। इफ्रा, एमपी गुलाम अली खटाना इस वक्त यहाँ हैं, एक इवेंट के सिलसिले में यहाँ पहुंचे। अभी मीडिया से जब बात कर रहे थे तो उनसे सवाल पूछा गया कि कुछ दिनों पहले फारूक साहब ने एक स्टेटमेंट दिया था कि स्पेशल स्टेटस को लेके हम आखिरी दम तक लड़ेंगे। उस पर एमपी गुलाम अली खटाना कह रहे हैं कि आज डिजिटल दौर है, डॉक्टर फारूक अब लोगों को और बेवकूफ़ नहीं बना सकते हैं और वो अब रेलेवेंट नहीं है।
Who is the person who is saying this कि डॉक्टर फारूक साहब रेलेवेंट नहीं है? Mr. Khatana is a person who has never fought an election in his life. Mr. Khatana is a person who has not polled a single vote in his entire life. He happens to sit in the parliament because BJP nominated him to the upper house of the parliament. BJP nominated him on a nominated seat. He's sitting in the Rajya Sabha. So a nominated person saying that a president of a political party, Dr. Farooq Abdullah Sahab, who has been a chief minister for so many years, who happens to be who happens to be the son of Sher-e-Kashmir Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah Sahab, a political party that has stood firm for last 90 years is irrelevant. Honestly, I don't even think that these comments deserve even an answer. If national conference was not relevant, Mr. Khatana's party would have been in power in Jammu and Kashmir. It is because of national conference and it's because the people of Jammu and Kashmir have kept national conference relevant is why the BJP sits on the opposition benches in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly complex. So Mr. Khatana should be the person who should know the relevance of national conference.
साथ ही साथ उनसे जब ये सवाल पूछा गया कि कई सारे एमएलएज कह रहे हैं कि खुल के काम नहीं हो पा रहा है क्योंकि अभी हमारे पास स्टेटहुड नहीं है, तो उस पे खटाना जी का जो स्टेटमेंट है, कह रहे हैं कि 5,000 10,000 में ये एमएलएज बने हैं और ये हमें राजनीति नहीं सिखा सकते हैं। प्रधानमंत्री गृह मंत्री ने कहा है सही वक्त पे स्टेटहुड मिलेगा तब मिल जाएगा।
Again, Mr. Khatana should tell all of us how many votes has he polled. I would definitely want to very respectfully ask him, sir, आपको कितने वोट मिले हैं जिस इलेक्शन में आपने कभी लड़ा भी होगा? I don't know if the answer is going to be here. I doubt there will be an answer in the first place. Coming to statehood is not, it's not something that they will throw at us, you know. It's not something that they will say, le lo. Statehood is something that people of Jammu and Kashmir already had. In fact, it was one of the most powerful states in the entire country. It was this government when the legality of conversion of a state into a union territory was taken up in the Supreme Court of India. It was the BJP, it was the representative of the government, the AG Sahab, who said, sir, who specifically told the Chief Justice of India, and this is what they had submitted in their written statement, please do not go into the legality of the conversion of a state into a union territory because this is a temporary status. So this is not something that they're throwing at the people of Jammu and Kashmir. This is something they asked, they begged the Supreme Court to not go into the legality of. So today they're now acting like kings, कि पुराने ज़माने के कोई महाराजा राजा हैं कि जब मर्जी होगी हमारी दे देंगे हम जब हमारा मन करेगा. It's shameful, it's sad, this arrogance. And you know, I've repeatedly said this, National Conference has repeatedly said this, every young voter who voted for the first time and who happened to be like 70% of the Jammu and Kashmir's population, they're actually telling them this is what the government is, this is how we're going to treat all of you. And I assure you one thing, ये जो इनका ये अहंकार है ना, ये जो इनका ये घुमंड है कि जब मन करेगा हम देंगे, this ahankar, this arrogance is going to be the end of these people in the Jammu province, and this is going to be the end of these people electorally in the Kashmir province. Thank you.
न्यूज़ 18 के लिए आफाक शाह के साथ श्रीनगर से मैं सरोज कफील।
और फिलहाल एक